Here I am getting ready for another bike ride somewhere. I might try to make it to what's it called, Lac Du Bonnet. I don't know how you pronounce it, but yeah, so hopefully I can get there. It's also one of the shortest days of the year, so I might not get there either, but here's the bike. Be taking that, and that's it for now. Bye. Well, here I am approaching Lockport. So the bridge will probably be icy, which won't be ideal, but I'll get over it. Well, I'm gonna be turning north here, so Highway 59. Alrighty, well, here is my turn for Lac Du Bonnet, and yeah, so it would be kind of nice if I would get there today. Never been there before, but yeah, that's it. Well, Lac Du Bonnet is 32 kilometers away, so still a decent while, but getting there. Well, it appears that I have made it to Lac Du Bonnet, so that's cool. Now I have to decide where I'm going to go from here and what I'm going to do, so that'll be fun. I'll probably just look on my map and whatever, so yeah. Well, I made it. Well, I've decided I'm gonna try to make it to the old Pinawa Dam. So that's that. Hopefully I can make it. Well, it's the Winnipeg River, apparently. So it's kind of cool. Pretty nice. Well, made it to Pinawa Dam right before sunset. So That's pretty cool. Alrighty, got my little setup for the night. So should be good for the morning. Alrighty. Well, last night I heard some wolves, so that was kind of cool. And also a owl flew into my tent. Well, not into my tent, but into the side, like right there. So that was interesting. I've never had that happen before. So it's currently just before 5 a.m. But yeah, not sure if I'll sleep again or not. But I'll only start biking anyways when it's light out. So yeah. Alrighty, well, I'm all packed up here. It's still dark out. It's still gonna be dark out for like another hour or so. But I figured I would start on my way. I've got that light. I've got the little reflective vest on. I have this flashlight, which I'll be using for lights and whatever. So yeah, I'll be off. Well, my front brake cables somehow snapped. Well, I believe that's the Seven Sisters Dam over there. Well, Highway 44 now. That will take me nearly the rest of the way back. Well, it is Seddon's Corner. So, made it there. Alrighty, well, entering Beausejour. So, that's good. I am getting close. Lockport is right there. Well, I'm about to get back, so it's good. I think it was around 200 kilometers. I went further than I thought that I would, so that was kind of fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it.